Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial shows you how to see drafts on Instagram. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video. Open Instagram on your device. Tap the plus icon at the top of your screen to create a post, switch to Reels. You will find a draft icon at the top of the interface. Tap on drafts and all your draft posts will be seen. Each post has a thumbnail so you can easily identify which post you are looking for. Tap on the pen icon next to the draft video. You want to edit and post, go on to editing the reel and post. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. That is it for today, and thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.